Since media used to address me as suspended governor, I don't know if I should go with protocols so that they can quote me right. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, our traditional rulers that are here, invited guests, the great Bonny people, gentlemen of the press, good afternoon all. I would like to take one hymn, although I'm not I like that guy's voice. I wish I can add it to mine, so I can be doing this work very well. The hymn goes this way: on Christ the solid rock I stand. Can you give me that? Nothing else but Jesus Christ, my righteousness. Thank you. I chose that hymn because my standing is only in that rock that is Christ. And that is why I feel strongly that unusual things, when it happens to extraordinary people and they survive it, it is only where you are standing. And I have to say that it is one thing that I have in common with our celebrant. He had a very difficult situation. If you know the history, a lot of you know it, I don't need to tell you. But one way or the other, when everyone thought all hope was lost, something happened. There's only him again, something happened. And it turned around. And we are where we are today. It can only be God. So I celebrate with you. I wish you the best. You said something here. It's not about ruling, controlling, ordering. It's about service. And you're committed to serving the great people of Bonny. Everybody will not appreciate your style, but what is important, when you know that what you're doing is right, you are convinced and you're sure that 25 years, 30 years, if you're placed in any box and you're asked a question, you can defend your action. That's what makes you a man. And I want to celebrate with you that you're leading with that fear and like a man, not control. I wish you all the best. No king lives forever. That is the truth. And no authority lasts forever. But what is important is within the period that you are in power, or when you reign, like their own is their reign, I wish you do wonderful things that will speak forever for you. That is my prayer. Wonderful things that will speak forever. Some people accuse me of a lot of things, but the truth about it is I can't be what I'm not and who I am. This is my ancestral place. We ran away one time, wanted independence before, we weren't too mature and we wanted independence. We had to go through a lot of things. So maybe it's my early independence that is causing this problem. They say independence is sweet, but it's just the Gary drinking that is the problem. So we thank God for everything. Like I said, I can't wish you anything more than God's protection. Your reign will be recorded for good things. That is the truth. And the evidence are there. And for our people, just be strong. At times you need to lose to win. For me, and anybody who believes in me, I've never considered myself losing anything. Not at all. It is when you attach life to things, that is when it bothers you. But I know that at the end of the day, our winning will come to us because we are standing on a solid rock. Let me, if I will not be misquoted, on behalf of my family, the good people of the state, wish you a 60th happy birthday. Thank you, and God bless you all.
I stand before you today with a heart full of gratitude and humility as we mark a special milestone in my life, my 60th birthday.